All right, all right, all right. Hey, everybody. Feels good to bring the car out. Streets have been washed of salt. It's a gorgeous early April day here in Wisconsin. Let's go ahead and give the 71 GTO Judge a cold start. We'll let her warm up here a little bit. It's going to be an emotional sale for me, gang. Man, I love this car. Let's go through a few things here. Radio works. Oh, might have trouble here tuning in.
Quiz about red facts.
Alright, so radio works. Let's see if the blower motor works this year. Hey, alright. Alright, so all three speeds on the blower motor work. Let's see if we can hear the rear defroster. It used to work. Okay. Alright, so that's working. I know the wipers work. I don't want to run them. I'm gonna have to wipe the car down anyway, so. Oh, that's all right. Well, that's making a little more noise than it should. Lights work, I'll show you those. Directionals work. Look, gang, a lot of time and effort has been put into getting this car safe again to be driven. And so these are all items that I knew worked last year, but all sorts of craziness happens over winter. So let's see if she'll kick down here. Good running car, gang. And factory style Gardner exhaust there out the back. It's not super loud, but just an awesome gurgle out the rear. Okay, I'm gonna do this a couple times. Let me see, I got her in neutral. All right, we're just gonna go out back. You gotta hear this car. All right, let's go for a spin.